extreme just got armed and dangerous. Next up, a medley of creature discomforts.
Well, you know how they say that the worst things you can work with are babies and animals? Well, we're half lucky. We get to work with animals. We're going to test all sorts of mythical animal deterrents.
Like what?
Well, remember when we did that myth where we saw if a bag of water can repel flies off your front porch?
Apparently bags of water attract